Hello and welcome back to the Moto Stylist channel. Today, we will be presenting content that is a little different from what we have previously discussed on this channel. We will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of the Suzuki Hayabusa. Please watch this video until the end to make the best choice for you. Enjoy watching. If you are a fan of speed and power, you might have heard of the Suzuki Hayabusa, one of the fastest and most iconic motorcycles in the world. The Hayabusa, which means peregrine falcon in Japanese, is a beast of a machine that can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers and accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.5 seconds. But is it the right bike for you? In this video, we will explore some of the advantages and disadvantages of owning a Suzuki Hayabusa, so you can decide if it suits your needs and preferences. Advantages. Performance. The Hayabusa is a performance-oriented bike that delivers an exhilarating and thrilling ride. It has a powerful 1,340 cubic centimeters engine that produces 197 horsepower and 155 Newton meters of torque. It also has a smooth and responsive transmission, a lightweight and aerodynamic frame, and a sophisticated suspension system that ensures stability and comfort at high speeds. The Hayabusa is a bike that can handle any road condition and challenge any competitor. Style. The Hayabusa is a bike that stands out from the crowd with its distinctive and aggressive design. It has a sleek and streamlined bodywork that reduces drag and enhances airflow. It also has a large and muscular fuel tank, a dual exhaust system, a sporty tail section, and a digital instrument panel. The Hayabusa is available in various colors and graphics that add to its appeal and personality. Reputation. The Hayabusa is a bike that has earned a reputation for being one of the best and most legendary motorcycles in history. It was first launched in 1999 and broke the record for being the fastest production motorcycle at the time. It also became popular among celebrities, racers, stunt riders, and enthusiasts who admired its speed and performance. The Hayabusa is a bike that has a loyal fan base and a cult following around the world. Disadvantages. Cost. The Hayabusa is not a cheap bike to buy or maintain. It has a high price tag that ranges from $14,799 to $16,499 depending on the model and features. It also has high running costs that include fuel consumption, insurance, taxes, maintenance, and repairs. The Hayabusa is a bike that requires a lot of investment and care to keep it in good condition. Practicality. The Hayabusa is not a very practical bike to use for everyday purposes. It is a large and heavy bike that weighs 266 kilograms and has a seat height of 805 millimeters. It also has a limited storage space, a low fuel efficiency, and a high emission level. The Hayabusa is not a bike that is easy to maneuver in traffic, park in tight spaces, or ride for long distances. Safety. The Hayabusa is not a very safe bike to ride for inexperienced or reckless riders. It is a fast and powerful bike that can be difficult to control and handle at high speeds. It also has a high risk of accidents, injuries, or fatalities due to its speed and performance. The Hayabusa is not a bike that is suitable for beginners or irresponsible riders who do not respect the rules of the road or their own limits. Conclusion. The Suzuki Hayabusa is an amazing and legendary bike that offers many advantages such as performance, style, and reputation. However, it also has some disadvantages such as cost, practicality, and safety. Therefore, before buying or riding a Suzuki Hayabusa, you should consider your budget, lifestyle, skills, and expectations carefully. The Hayabusa is not a bike for everyone, but it might be the perfect bike for you if you are looking for an adrenaline-filled and unforgettable ride. How? Have you made the decision to buy a Suzuki Hayabusa? If so, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.